All right, we're underneath the hood of this 2020 Chevrolet Silverado with the 6.2. Everything looking really good. Around the engine, of course your battery's over here. Trying to get your way down in there. I know you were asking about this being a northern vehicle. A lot of times you could see just a little bit of surface rust, even on the late model, and none of that even exists. I'm showing you all the bolts all around the front of this. They look really clean. This thing is running. We come back here, trying to get you underneath where you can see underneath the truck. Everything looking really good. I always look at these rockers and so forth. Try to get you underneath. You can see back there, again, very little wear at all. All you see there is surface. That can happen right here in the state of Tennessee. I'll get you on the front as well. All through there. There you go.